In this video, we will see how to use the Download All options. Open the link you have received in your email. On your default landing page, you will see the files assigned and pending with you. The Download All action arrow at the bottom of your screen allows you to do the following. Download previous edition files for all chapters. Download all files from all, or a selection of chapters. View the download history. When you click on options 1 and 2 here, the downloaded files list will show up in Downloads. Click on the download arrow to download to your desktop. If the number of downloaded files exceed 150, the download process you initiated will continue in the background, and you can proceed with your work. Check the download section a little later for the files. To selectively download one or more files, click on the checkbox to the left of the chapter you wish to download. The list of files will get populated on the right. You can select multiple or all files from here and use the download arrow at the right top corner. Or use the all or multiple files option from Download All. If the count of files exceeds 150, a notification about the same will be received. You can continue with your work and check back later to see if the download history has been populated. Click Download History to go to the Download section. You will see the downloads organized by date. Click on the yellow arrow against the date your download is in, and then access the appropriate download. Use the download arrow to download to your computer.